You are going to love the 2018 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, air conditioning, front wheel drive, driver airbag, power steering, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.